Davenport mother is welcoming the decision approving a new medication for the treatment of two rare forms of epilepsy. This new drug is the first where the primary ingredient comes from the marijuana plant. The medication, called Epidiolex, is made with CBD, which isn't responsible for that high feeling that comes from the plant. Tina McDermott says her son Ryan was part of the clinical trials for the drug, and while the medication didn't have much impact on reducing her son's seizures, this move by the FDA is a sign of hope for parents and their kids. Local 4's Sean Logging reports McDermott says this drug is a way to help control seizures.
In Ryan's case and a lot of kids' cases, they have to stop seizing. Like, he seizes almost every single day, so his brain can't develop correctly.
Diagnosed with Dravet syndrome in 2012, 12-year-old Ryan's mother, Tina McDermott, has been a strong advocate for her son, who would have around 20 seizures a day.
It's a severe form of epilepsy, catastrophic sometimes. It's resistant to medications. It's very rare.
Because of the syndrome, Ryan can't walk or talk. After his diagnosis, McDermott says she and others started to push for legalization of CBD medications in Iowa after seeing promising results in other states.
We just kept fighting and fighting and trying to get, this CBD, medical marijuana, however you want to call it, passed for these kids.
That opened the door to Epidiolex and getting her son a spot in the clinical trial.
Instead of just keep giving him pills and pills and Ryan got pancreatitis from one of the pills. This is a natural drug.
While she says the medication showed promise for other kids, McDermott decided to pull Ryan out of the trial after it failed to make much of a difference.
About as high as we could go on the dose, and I wasn't real happy with it like other kids responded to. I just wanted to opt out, get out of it, and then I wanted to use the cannabis with a little bit of THC in it.
McDermott says she has since enrolled Ryan in a new clinical trial that's reduced his seizures to just a few times a day, but encourages parents, while Epidiolex wasn't the right solution for Ryan, it could be the hope others are looking for.
I always say they're probably going to get a chance to meet their child a little bit more.
Sean Logging, Local 4 News.
In order for the medication to become available for patients, federal officials also need to approve a change for a Schedule I drug to Schedule II. The drug is expected to hit pharmacies this fall.